How do you handle the pressures of being a public figure while pushing for causes that may be controversial or challenging?
In this day and age, I think what's important is a healthy dose of sincere communications. Sometimes you just want to get the heart of it and empathize, right? Even for those who are fearful, perhaps they misunderstand. And I remember having a session with Shairul Hamdan. We were interviewing a few refugees. We have to thank either Dayu Dapur or Picha Eats, the existing NGOs, right, who are doing this work. Our effort was trying to dispel fears by making sure there's a degree of empathy in our engagement. And I think that's crucial because you don't want life to be led by your fears or insecurities or prejudice. And it applies to me as well. And I hope that perhaps with more discourse and more openness, we might learn to appreciate one another better.